confirmed. In the summer of 2025, astronomers detected an extraordinary intruder, Comet 3I/Atlas, the third confirmed interstellar object to visit our solar system. Originating from another star system, this ancient wanderer, potentially billions of years old, sped through at incredible velocities, offering a rare glimpse into alien worlds. NASA's Hubble Space Telescope captured stunning images in July and November 2025, revealing a teardrop-shaped coma of dust and gas enveloping its icy nucleus. Estimates suggest the nucleus is a few hundred feet to miles across. Meanwhile, Mars missions like Perseverance and Maven imaged it from the red planet, detecting unusual carbon dioxide and hydrogen emissions. On December 19, 2025, 3I/Atlas makes its closest approach to Earth at 170 million miles. Safe, yet a chilling reminder of how objects from deep space can suddenly appear. Hubble's latest observations show it active and accelerating near the Sun, turning bluish as it heats up. This comet poses no threat, but imagine if a larger interstellar rogue were on a collision course. Space is full of such silent travelers, undetectable until too late. Scary fact interlude. Interstellar objects like this highlight the universe's indifference. A similar but larger body could impact Earth with dinosaur extinction force, and NASA tracks only a fraction of potential threats. One undetected asteroid could end civilization in an instant. Yet, 3I/Atlas excites scientists, providing samples from distant planetary systems without leaving home. Closer to home, NASA's Artemis program surges forward. As of late 2025, Artemis II, the first crewed flight around the Moon, is on track for early 2026, possibly February. The 4 astronauts will test Orion's systems in a 10-day lunar loop. Delays from heat shield issues have been resolved with trajectory adjustments. Stacking of the SLS rocket progresses at Kennedy Space Center, with countdown rehearsals underway. Artemis III, the lunar landing, targets mid-2027, amid debates over lander contracts. SpaceX's Starship remains primary, but competition opens for redundancy. New instruments for lunar science, dust mitigation tests, and nuclear propulsion discussions under potential new leadership signal ambition to beat rivals like China. Interesting fact, Artemis aims for sustainable presence, including Gateway Station. But the Moon's harsh environment, abrasive dust, extreme temperatures, makes it a deadly proving ground. Scary fact, rocket exhaust on the Moon kicks up regolith at bullet speeds, potentially damaging equipment or habitats. One mishap could strand astronauts forever. NASA's progress inspires, returning humans to the Moon after decades, paving for Mars. On Mars, NASA's rovers and orbiters continue groundbreaking work. Perseverance confirmed electrical discharges in dust devils, mini lightning storms, explaining long-suspected phenomena. It analyzed puzzling rocks hinting at ancient life, while Curiosity imaged distant mountains. Tragically, Maven orbiter lost signal in December 2025 after normal operations. Teams work recovery, but it underscores space's fragility. Escapade twin spacecraft, launched November 2025 on Blue Origin's New Glenn, head to Mars to study atmospheric loss to solar wind. Mars missions captured 3I/Atlas images, adding data. Interesting fact, Perseverance's samples could prove past microbial life when returned. Scary fact, Mars once had oceans but lost atmosphere. Solar wind stripped it away. Earth could suffer similarly if magnetic field weakens, turning our planet barren. NASA's fleet reveals Mars' habitable past while warning of cosmic dangers. NASA's premier telescopes dominate 2025 headlines. James Webb Space Telescope detected the earliest supernova yet, exploding when universe was 730 million years old, linked to gamma-ray burst. It found thick atmosphere on lava world exoplanet TOI 561b, helium streams from Puffy WASP 107b, and early spiral galaxy resembling Milky Way. Hubble revisited 3I/Atlas, spotted stormy star-forming galaxies, and ultramassive white dwarfs from mergers. Parker Solar Probe revealed solar magnetic field escapes, fueling space weather. Interesting fact, JWST confirms rapid early universe galaxy formation, challenging models. Scary fact segue: supernovae and gamma-ray bursts are universe's most violent events. Gamma-ray bursts, brightest explosions since Big Bang, release more energy in seconds than Sun in its lifetime. Long GRBs from massive star collapses into black holes, often with supernovae, short from neutron star mergers. 2025 saw a record 7-hour GRB, possibly intermediate black hole-devouring star. If nearby GRB aimed at Earth, gamma-ray strip atmosphere, cause mass extinction worse than dinosaur asteroid. Known GRBs distant, but past events may explain Earth extinctions. Supernovae, massive stars explode, forging elements but blasting deadly radiation. Hypernovae power extreme GRBs. Scary fact: nearby supernova bathes Earth in cosmic rays, destroying ozone, causing cancer surges and ecosystem collapse. Rogue black holes wander, devouring anything. Universe beautiful yet hostile. One burst could end life as we know it. Vacuum collapse propagates light speed, rewriting physics, annihilating everything, undetectable until hits. Black holes embody space's horror, inescapable doom. Yet, NASA studies them, unlocking universe secrets. Amid cosmic threats, ISS thrives in 2025's final planned years. Expedition 74 underway. Johnny Kim returned after 8 months, discussing research. 25 years continuous presence marked. Thousands experiments, stem cells, materials, benefiting Earth. Interesting fact: ISS tests tech for deep space, like recycling urine. Astronauts drink recycled waste. Scary fact: space brutal, radiation, microgravity, bone loss, isolation madness. One solar flare fries electronics, strands crew. Debris risks: high-speed junk could puncture hull, explosive decompression, frozen vacuum death in seconds. ISS reminds vulnerability yet resilience. Sun itself dangerous. December 2025 strong flare erupted. Parker probe revealed magnetic escapes causing space weather. Scary fact: Carrington event flare disrupts power grids, satellites, trillions damage, society collapse. Coronal mass ejections bombard radiation, deadly astronauts. Solar storms strip atmospheres like Mars. NASA monitors, but massive flare unpredictable. Universe vast, emptiness terrifying. Great voids hundreds millions light years, near empty. Dark matter/energy 95% universe. Unknown, perhaps allowing horrors. Fermi paradox, where aliens, GRBs/supernovae may sterilize galaxies, explaining silence. Scary fact: alone in observable universe, or intelligent life rare, do cosmic killers. Heat death, universe expands, cools eternally, everything fades. Space infinite wonder, infinite terror. 2025 brings NASA changes. Jared Isaacman nominated administrator, emphasizing moon race, nuclear propulsion. Challenges, budgets, politics, but discoveries continue. Interesting fact: Roman telescope plans Milky Way survey. Future: Artemis landings, Mars samples, exoplanet atmospheres hinting life. As 2025 ends, NASA's achievements, interstellar visitors, ancient explosions, lunar preparations, illuminate path forward. Yet, space's scary truths, devouring black holes, sterilizing bursts, indifferent vacuum, humble us. We fragile specks in vast, violent cosmos. But through curiosity, courage, we explore. Space not comparable, but understandable. In awe and fear, we reach stars. Thank you watching Cosmic Frontiers. Universe awaits.